Hi everyone, Sarah back again today for Mercy Tiara Kits. I am playing with the Cuddle Up kit today, and it's more of a fall-y theme and everything. So what I am scrapbooking today, I was going to do a white background as you saw, but I love this cardstock that was in this kit, so I went ahead and grabbed that piece out. I'm going to use some of the cut aparts to use as layers behind my photos. And I'm going to try to use a lot of the ephemera that I have left. I do end up with some left over, but yeah. But what I'm scrapbooking is kind of a annual trip that me and my niece do, and we go hiking and we time ourselves. And so for the last couple of years, what we do is we start at the bottom of this mountain and we start a timer and we see how long it takes us to get to the top. And we're trying to make it shorter and shorter and shorter. And we have been doing that, which is awesome. We got it way shorter this year. I guess stopping smoking helped that. Me, not her. She's young. She doesn't, thank God. It was a bad habit I had, and I used to smoke, and I quit smoking about 2 years ago, and it really has improved health. So, yeah. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and start taping things down. I started putting some things out and thought, hey, yeah, I like where these are at. Honestly, you'll see me get frustrated here in a few minutes. Actually, I already did and threw the little yellow piece to the side. But I'm going to adhere these to my photos, and then I'm going to pop this one up with some fun foam. One side of this has adhesive on it, the other doesn't, and I'll adhere that down. So at this point, I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to just adhere the center of my photos down so I can tuck things behind. And so that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to start adding things back so that I can just continue to build on this layout. No plan when I started this. I'm actually really enjoying scrapbooking like that lately. Usually I have a plan or I create my own sketch, but this time I didn't. The last couple times, I guess, I really haven't. And so I'm just kind of playing and enjoying it. I've got a movie on over to the side, and I'm just trucking through here. I like the fact that I cut a bunch of this stuff out with my Sizzix, just cut it out with dies from pattern paper from the kit. It makes so many layers, and I absolutely love that. I love little things that you can put here and there. So it's just something that I really like. So I went ahead and did that. I'm trying to figure out where I want things. Like I said, I'm trying to use quite a bit of the ephemera up. I've used almost all the ephemera from the kit itself. So a lot of what I have left there is things that I had cut out with my dies. And of course, I dropped something. It landed right side up though, so it didn't actually get glue on my paper that time. I looked at the stickers, the puffy stickers, and I had made a choice that I'm going to use some of them, but I wanted to wait until I had all this stuff glued down. And as usual, I just glue the ends of stuff down. It just works for me that way. If I do decide I want to add more things, I can, which comes in extremely handy a lot of the time because you'll see here in a few minutes, I want to add more things in. So I'm going to continue doing that with these. There's another little piece of ephemera from one of the embellishment packs. And so I'm going ahead and adhering those down. I'm trying to see if there's more pieces that I want. I'm clipping off a few pieces. I decided I wanted to extend the foliage and stuff over here to the right-hand side. So I didn't actually glue that red mushroom down. So I'm sticking things behind it, and I'll glue it down in just a minute. I'm just digging through and trying to find things that I think I might want to use. I wanted another mushroom. I wanted some more of that deeper greeny tealy color. So I put the mushroom there since I had some up at the top and a little bit to the bottom right of the photo. And then I added a couple little flowers, and I'm just tucking things here and there as I go. As I pick things up, I'm finding things and I'm just going ahead and tucking them. I picked all that up. I knew I wanted to use the sequins. I always love the sequins. And then here is where I was pulling some of the puffy stickers, just the leaves and stuff like that, and tucking them here and there. Some of them, for some reason, are coming off their backing, so I'm just gluing them down when they do that. It is what it is. I don't care. I can still use them. So, it is what it is. Like I said, right there, that one says highlights. This one says happiness. And then I'm just going to use magic as my title. This part's fine, but the M decides to peel off of its sticky backing. So I'm just going to glue that down really quick. And I glue the top of the I down as well. I need to find out what those are called. Here I am going through the sequin mix. Usually I just sprinkle them. Last couple videos, I've been placing them. I didn't make you watch me do all that or stick them all down, but that is almost the end of this layout. I do grab my Distress Mica Stain flickering candles from my stash, and I am splattering that around my layout. I really like it. It's really pretty. But yeah, that was a quick, fast layout for me today. I really hope that you enjoy it. Make sure to check out the links below. Make sure to watch for the new kit. There's been sneak peeks out already. But if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.